Cell phones. They are now an essential part of our everyday lives. But there's a problem here. They're getting bigger and bigger. Sure, that large, generous screen is pretty, but is it really worth it? Look familiar? Well, we think those huge screens are totally worth it. So we went to work, trying to design a solution that would bring back the joy of one-handed use to modern phones. After discussing it for a few seconds in this video, I think we got it. Introducing Ungrip. It's a simple solution to a modern-day problem. It's small and thin, and it literally weighs nothing. Ungrip attaches to the back of your phone with or without a case. Ungrip uses an adhesive tape that is extremely strong, easy to remove, and does not leave any residue. So, how do you use it? Simple. You just insert your fingers into the strap. Immediately, you feel that your phone is secured to your hand. You grip your phone as usual, or you ungrip it. It gives you a freedom that was never there before, and because it's made of fabric, it's easy on your fingers. There's no need to worry about you dropping your phone or your phone slipping from your hands again. It's unintrusive. It stays flat when you want it to be flat. Ungrip is strong. It can carry up to an excess of 4 pounds of weight. With Ungrip, there are so many new ways you can hold your phone. After using it, you'll wonder how you even managed to hold your phone at all before. And the best part of it all, Ungrip looks good. In fact, it looks good on any phone. Not only that, but it also looks hot in your hand. It doesn't look dorky or utilitarian. Ungrip is not just an accessory to help you hold your phone, it's a fashion accessory. It comes with many different colors and designs. And did we mention the strap is detachable? So depending on your mood or outfit, you can mix and match. Heck, it's easier to change than your clothes. Our team has already finalized the design and already worked out all the issues of production. And our suppliers are all ready to go. But we can't do this alone. We need your support to take Ungrip all the way to the finish line. We believe Ungrip can bring back the joy and ease of use of your phones. With all of us working together, we can finally let go of our phones.